Today we are going to learn our 16th chapter. The name of the chapter is Playing with Numbers. In this chapter we are going to learn some interesting puzzles and some divisibility test. Before that, let us study the general form of a number. The number 52 is a two-digit number, isn't it? This can be written as 50 plus 2, which means 2 is in the ones place and 5 is in the tens place, isn't it? So, in this tens place we have 5, that means 50. It can be further splitted into 5 into 10 plus 2, isn't it? Now, the expanded form of this two-digit number is this. 5 into 10 plus 2. 2 is in ones place and 5 is in tens place, isn't it? Another one example, number 37. This can be written as 3 into 10 plus 7. 7 is in the ones place and 3 is in tens place, isn't it? So, in general, the two-digit numbers can be written as A into B. This is the general form. Okay. Generally, we can take the two-digit number as A, B. Here, B is in ones place and A is in tens place. So, we can write this as A into 10 plus B. Isn't it? Like this. We can write A is in the tens place, so we can write A into 10 plus B. So, we can write this as 10A plus B. This is the general form of a two-digit number. Okay. So, if a two-digit number is AB, the general form is 10A plus B. Similarly, we can write the general form of a three-digit number. A, B, C is a three-digit number. We can write the general form as 100A because A is in hundreds place, isn't it? So, 100A plus 10B. Here B is in tens place. 10B plus C. So, this is the general form of a three-digit number. If the numbers of a two-digit number are reversed, that means AB is a number. If the terms are reversed, what will you get? BA, isn't it? AB will become BA. How can you write this one? BA. 10 into B plus A. So, this is the reversed number of AB. Okay. Similarly, if ABC is reversed as BCA, we can write this as 100B plus 10C plus A. Okay. Now, let's study the topic letters for digits. In this topic, we are going to learn some interesting puzzles. Okay. In this puzzle, instead of numbers, letters will be given. Okay. So, instead of some particular numbers, letters will be given. We have to find what number will comes in the place of the particular letter. For example, 32Q. So, this is a number. We have to find what will comes here in the place of Q. Okay, what number will come? We have to find that. Here it has two rules to follow to doing such puzzles. Okay, so the first one is each letter in the puzzle must stand for just one digit. Okay, this digit is a one-digit number. So that is the first rule. Each digit must represent just only one letter. Okay. Second rule. Second rule is the first digit of a number cannot be 0. That means sometimes the number may be like this, Q36. So this may not be 0. This is always greater than 0. Okay. This will not become 0. Actually, the number 36 can be written as 036 also, isn't it? But in such puzzles, we can't write like that. The first digit never become 0. Okay. Now let's see example 1. Find Q in the addition. The question is 3 1Q plus 1Q3. The answer is 501. By adding these two numbers, the answer will be 501. What will come in the place of Q? We have to find that. How will you find? See here, the number is 3 1Q, 1Q3. Answer is 501, isn't it? Adding the 3 with the Q, we need a number 1 here. So what may be the possibilities here? 3 with the which number gives 1? 3 with the 4 gives 7. 3 with the 8 gives 3 plus 8 gives 11. Isn't it? So we can write 1 here, then the remainder here. Isn't it? So 3 plus this Q may be 8. Just let's check. 3 plus 8 is 11. So write the 1 here. Then the remaining 1 here. Okay. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus some number should give 0. Already we took this, that Q may be 8, isn't it? So just apply here. So 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So 0. The remaining 1. Now 3 plus 4, 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So the answer is correct. So what is the value of Q here? Q is 8. So in this way we have to find the values for the particular letters. Example 2. Find A and B in the addition. Here see we have A plus A plus A. So the answer is BA. We have to find the values for A and B. Okay. Question is A plus A plus A. Answer is BA. Adding these three numbers should give the same number here, isn't it? So let's check if the value of A is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. That is not correct. Then 2 means 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. That's also not possible. Now let's check 5. A for 5 means 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. So we can write the 5 here, remaining here, isn't it? So A may be 5. So that you will get 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. So here also you will get the same digit in the answer. Then remaining 1. So here the B is 1. Answer is 15. That means the value of B is 1 and the value of A is 5. Example 3. Find the digits A and B. Here we have multiplication. The question is BA into B3. Answer is 5, 7A. See here, multiplying 3 with A should give the answer A. So if A is 1, 3 into 1 is 3. So this is not same as this number. Then if the A is 2, 3 2s are 6. If A is 2, 3 2s are 6. These two are not same. If A is 3, 3 3s are 9. This is also not possible. Now check which number may come here. If the value of A is 5, 3 5s are 15. So we can write 5 here. So this digit and this digit will be same, isn't it? So the value of A is 5. 3 5s are 15, remaining 1. Now see, 3 into 1 is what? No, 3 into b is some number. Adding 1 with that number, we need 7, isn't it? So what will come here? 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7, isn't it? So the value of b is 2. Now let's check the answer. B is 2. A is 5. Then here it is 3. And again b is 2. Multiply. 5 3s are 15, remaining 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. 5 2s are 10, remaining 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. So add 575 is the answer. So here the value of A is 5 and B is 2. Now let's study the test for divisibility. First one, divisibility by 10. This is very easy, isn't it? If a number ends with a 0, then it is easily divisible by 10, isn't it? For example, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and etc. So if the digit in ones place is a 0, then it is divisible by 10. This one already we all know, isn't it? Then divisibility by 5. What about this one? Divisibility by 5. If the number in a units place is 5 or 0, then the number will divisible by 5. Isn't it? For example, 5, 25, 30, 35, 70, 85, etc. Okay. So, if the ones digit of a number is 5 or 0, either 5 or 0, then the particular number is divisible by 5. Then divisibility by 2. This is very easy. All the even numbers are divisible by 2, isn't it? For example, 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 24, etc. All the even numbers are divisible by 2. That means if the digit in ones place is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0, then the number is divisible by 2. Next one, divisibility by 9 and 3. To check whether the number is divisible by 9 or 3, we have to add the digits in the particular number. For example, 27 is the number. We have to check whether this is divisible by 9 and 3. Okay, so for that we have to add the digits in this number. What are the digits? 2 and 7. So 2 plus 7, that is 2 plus 7. It is 9. See, the answer is 9. Is this divisible by 9? Yes. So the number 29 is divisible by 9. Then is this number divisible by 3? Yes. So the number 27 is also divisible by 3. Okay, so this is the test for divisibility by 9 and 3. Example 4. Check the divisibility of 2,143,6,587 by 9. Okay, so what is this number? 2,14,36,587. We have to check whether this is divisible by 9 or not. So first write the number. As I said, first we have to add the digits in this number. So 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7. Okay, add the numbers first. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. 21 plus 8, 29. 29 plus 7 is 36. So the sum is 36. Is this divisible by 9? Yes. 9 fours are 30. So this number is also divisible by 9. Example 5. Check the divisibility of this number. 1,52,875 by 9. Okay, so first add the digits. 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5. What is the sum here? 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 8 16. 16 plus 7 23. 23 plus 5 is 28. Is this divisible by 9? No. So this number is also not divisible by 9. Example 6. If the 3-digit number 24x, the 3-digit number is 24x, is divisible by 9, what is the value of x? We have to find the value of x here. And the clue given is, if this number is divisible by 9. So we know that if a number is divisible by 9, sum of the digits also divisible by 9, isn't it? Which means 2 plus 4 plus x is also divisible by 9. So what is 2 plus 4 plus x? 2 plus 4 is 6 plus x. This is divisible by 9. So what may be the number here? By adding the number with the 6, we need another number. That one should be divisible by 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 is divisible by 9, isn't it? So what is the value of x here? The value of x here is 3. Example 7. Check the divisibility of 21,46,587 by 3. So first we have to add all the digits in this number. 2146,587. Add all. 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7, which is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18, 18 plus 8 is 26, 26 plus 7 is 33. So the answer here is 33. Is this divisible by 3? Yes, 33 is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. Example 8. Check the divisibility of 15,287 by 3. Here also, to check that, first we have to add all the digits. 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 8 plus 7, which is equal to 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 7 is 23. Is this divisible by 3? No, this is not divisible by 3. So this number is also not divisible by 3.